Alrighty then, welcome to potato soup with cream cheese that I'm going to do in my authentic crock pot. This is Cozy Fall Soup 2024 collaboration, and it's sponsored by Gail's Southern Living and Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. They're going to have a giveaway on December 10th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So all you have to do is watch the videos, make some comments, and you will be in that giveaway. And you don't know what's in that giveaway till they tell us. So this is the easiest thing in the world to make. I wanted to make something else. Vern wants tater soup, so Vern wins. So this is as simple as white taters, onions. I'm using turkey stock from 11 of 2022 and a chicken stock from August of 2024. A block of cream cheese and some cream of chicken soup. Now the spices I use are pepper, celery salt, paprika, tarragon, dill, and of course we're gonna add milk to this. You can't do it without no milk. So it could not be easier, and it is delicious. So let's get to getting. So the first thing I do is I get my crock pot on high. Once I get everything in it, I'm gonna put it to low. But I'm gonna start with my November of 2022 turkey stock. Then I got my chicken stock from August. If you're not a home canner, just use the stuff in a box. Then we're gonna glop in our cream of chicken soup. If you make your own mixture, make it, put it in there. Now we're gonna whiskey this together, if I don't deafen you first. Get everything out the jar. You pay for this, okay, by the amount in it. I'm getting my money's worth, thank you very much. Food is too expensive to leave anything in this jar. Rinse off my little sticky sticker. So let's whisk it together. Look, LouAnn from Mennonite Farmhouse, okay? I finally got a silicone one without the beads on it. I had a silicone one with beads on it, and it broke in the middle of cooking food. My food was ruined, I was not happy. But being a home canner, I had things in my pantry we could eat. Okay, so we're gonna whiskey this together. Now, you can use half a block of cream cheese. I come from a place of more is better. So I'm gonna use the whole thing in there. But I gotta get it melty, and it ain't hard. It's just cooking in a crock pot. So let's slide in our block of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces. Ain't gonna hurt nothing to have more. More can often be better. Let's slide our chopped onions in here. Oops, skin. Easiest thing you will ever do. Now I've got it on high now, but it'll cook on low. Now I'm gonna get to peeling some onion, some potatoes, the potato. So I have diced up half of that bag of potatoes, and now we're gonna slide them in. Whoops, of course one had to go on the floor. It's the kind of chick I am in the kitchen, splishy splashy. So not hard. Tater soup with cream cheese and a crocky potty. The Cozy Fall Soup 2024. So I have my taters in there. Everything's ready to go. I need to add my seasoning, but first we need to get down to the dock so that we can put all of our tater skins into the marsh to feed the little bait fish. Let's go see what's shaking down there. I don't know. Looks like the egrets are having a meeting. They're gonna be disturbed by my splishy splashy with the tater skins. But sorry, it's not your marsh. We're going in. Oh my goodness, is that those long-nosed gar? Oh, I cannot stand those creatures. They just tear your line up. Can't tell yet. Nope, that is a huge school of reds. Those are our potato skins, and those are South Carolina blue crabs. Getting them a little snacky snack. Alrighty then, our cozy fall soup is done. And you can tell that by just putting a fork in some of the potatoes. Say that you added too much milk, you can use a tater smasher, put it in there, and that will help thicken your soup. Mine is fine, but that is a very good way to make sure that you don't have too thin of a soup. So this is just a cozy soup, fall soup 2024 collab video. And this is gonna be delicious and freezes extremely well. Oh, yes, it does. This is how I freeze my tater soup. I put 2 Ziplocs together, freezer ones. I then pour the leftover tater soup into the one in the center, and then I lay it on a cookie sheet, and I either put a paper towel or dish towel down so it doesn't stick to the cookie sheet. And then look, how cool is that? Look at that low profile. So then I put it in my chest freezer like I'm filing something. Okay, so it ain't hard. And Vern grew figs, so he wants me to show them to you. These are Vern's figs. Okay, I've been married 43 years. It's not easy, okay, but he wants me to show you his figs. These are Vern's figs. And please continue to pray for the people in North Carolina and the people who've been so harmed by Hurricane Helene. We're on the coast and we were spared that kind of destruction. We did not have power for only 13 hours, but my solar-powered battery backup kept our freezer and things going. But please, please, please to continue to pray for those people who are literally working their way through hell and assessing all the damage to everything that they lost. So Tater Soup Collaboration 2024.